Imagine standing on the edge of the Grand Canyon, the wind brushing your face, the sun setting in the distance. The world is full of awe-inspiring places, vibrant cultures and unique experiences waiting to be captured. Our seasoned travel vlogger, Alexa, has harnessed this magic, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary adventures, amassing millions of views along the way. That's the magic of travel videos, captivating millions with a single frame. Today you'll learn how to create your own. Why do we remember some videos and forget others? It's all about the story. The art of storytelling in travel videos is the cornerstone of what makes a video engaging, memorable and shareable. It's the narrative that captivates the audience, drawing them into the journey, igniting their wanderlust and leaving a lasting impression. Human brains are wired to crave narratives. Stories help us make sense of the world, they stimulate our imagination, and they create an emotional connection. And it's this connection that makes a travel video truly resonate with viewers. It's not just about showcasing beautiful landscapes or vibrant cityscapes, it's about creating a narrative that viewers can relate to, that sparks curiosity, and that invites them to embark on the journey with you. So how do you craft a compelling story in your travel video? Firstly, identify your unique angle. What's the essence of your journey? Is it about discovering local cuisines, uncovering hidden gems, or immersing in cultural experiences? Your angle is your lens through which you view and present your travels. It's what sets your video apart from the sea of travel content out there. Next, weave your shots into a cohesive narrative. Think of your travel video as a visual storybook, with each shot serving as a chapter. Maybe your story unfolds from sunrise to sunset, capturing the rhythm of life in a new place. Or perhaps it's told in reverse chronological order, adding an element of surprise and intrigue. The key is to create a narrative thread that ties your shots together, keeping viewers hooked from start to finish. Lastly, remember that your travel video is your story. It's your personal interpretation of your journey, so let your personality shine through. Share your thoughts, your emotions, your experiences. Make your viewers feel like they're traveling with you, experiencing the sights, the sounds, the tastes, the emotions right alongside you. Remember, your travel video is your story. Make it one that viewers will never forget. Now, let's dive into the technical side. Don't worry, you don't need Hollywood-level equipment. First, let's talk about the basics. Your camera, whether it's a high-end DSLR or the smartphone in your pocket, is your primary tool. It's important to understand the functions of your camera. Familiarize yourself with its settings, know how to adjust the focus, play with the exposure, and experiment with the white balance. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive gear, but rather making the most of what you have. Now onto the magic of angles. They can dramatically impact the visual narrative of your travel videos. A high-angle shot taken from above can make the subject seem small or vulnerable, perfect for capturing vast landscapes or bustling cityscapes. On the other hand, a low-angle shot taken from below can make the subject appear larger than life, ideal for showcasing towering monuments or majestic mountains. And let's not forget the classic eye-level shot. This gives a natural and relatable perspective, great for capturing those candid moments or local interactions. But it doesn't stop there. Adding motion to your shots can create a whole new dimension. A slow pan across a serene lake can evoke a sense of tranquility. A fast pan through a vibrant market can convey the hustle and bustle. And slow motion? It adds drama, perfect for those awe-inspiring moments like a cascading waterfall or a local festival in full swing. Remember, it's all about storytelling. The way you shoot your video should complement your narrative. Your angles and motion techniques should add depth and intrigue to your shots, keeping your viewers engaged and, quite literally, moving them through your travel story. With these filming techniques up your sleeve, you're well on your way to creating visually stunning travel videos. Shooting your video is just half the battle. Next, we dive into the world of editing. In the realm of video creation, editing is the magical process that transforms raw footage into a captivating narrative. It's where the story you've captured begins to unfold, where the rhythm of your journey starts to beat, and where your vision becomes a masterpiece. The first step in the editing process is selecting your footage. It can be tempting to include every shot you've taken, especially if you've captured a myriad of stunning scenes. But remember, quality trumps quantity. Aim for a succinct yet impactful video that engages your viewers from start to finish. Choose the best shots that align with your story, those that truly encapsulate the essence of your journey and those that stir emotions in your audience. But raw footage is just one part of the equation. The other part? Music. The right soundtrack can evoke a specific mood, underscore the tempo of your video, and enhance your storytelling. Whether your video calls for a lively tune to match the hustle and bustle of a city, or a tranquil melody to echo a serene landscape, choose music that complements and elevates your narrative. Now let's talk about the rhythm of your video. This is where beat sync editing comes into play. Think of it as the heartbeat of your video. By cutting your clips to the beat of your chosen music, you create a seamless flow that guides your viewers through your story. It's a technique that not only engages the senses, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your video. In the world of video editing, patience is indeed a virtue. It's a process that requires time, attention to detail, and a dash of creativity. But remember, each cut, each transition, each beat is a step closer to bringing your vision to life. Remember, editing is where your story comes to life. Take your time to get it right. Your masterpiece awaits. So you've created a stunning travel video, but how do you get it in front of millions? The answer lies in the secret sauce of going viral. It's not just about crafting a beautiful story or capturing breathtaking visuals. It's also about making your video discoverable and enticing enough for people to click and share. First, let's talk about thumbnails. They're like the cover of a book, offering a sneak peek into your video's story. An eye-catching thumbnail can make the difference between a scroll past and a click, so make it count. Use high-quality images, vivid colors, and compelling text to draw viewers in. Next up is SEO optimization. This is where you use specific keywords in your title, description, and tags to make your video more discoverable in search results. Think about what words or phrases people might use when searching for a video like yours, and weave them into your metadata. But remember, keep it relevant and avoid keyword stuffing. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of audience engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your video. Respond to comments, start conversations, and build a community around your content. People are more likely to share videos that they feel a personal connection with. With these tips, your travel video is ready to take over the internet. Creating a viral travel video may seem daunting, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. There's no special secret ingredient, no magic spell. It's all about the passion you hold for travel, the stories you wish to tell, and the memories you want to share with the world. It's about capturing the essence of a place, the spirit of its people, the rhythm of its heartbeat. It's about finding the extraordinary in the ordinary, the magic in the mundane. It's about weaving a story so captivating, so compelling, that your viewers can't help but be drawn into your journey. And now, a final thought from our expert Alexa, who shares her favorite travel quote: "Adventure awaits those who dare to capture it." Let these words inspire you, fuel you, and propel you into action. So what are you waiting for? Pick up your camera. Adventure awaits those who dare to capture it.